Hey guys, we are making hummus today. New recipe on the channel starting now. Welcome back everybody, it's Elizabeth from Madero Green Moments. Excited to share this recipe with you. First time making hummus. I love hummus and blow a lot of money on hummus. Any hummus lovers out there? If you have a favorite hummus recipe, be sure to put it in the comment section below. I'm going to be sharing with you this recipe and letting you know how it turns out. I know that you're going to need a high-speed power blender, and then I'm going to show you all the ingredients you're going to need. Here we go. All right, you are going to need some paprika, cumin, sea salt. I keep mine in this cute little container. You're gonna need some chickpeas or garbanzo beans, as they're also listed, some tahini, garlic, and lemon juice, and we are going to make this. I have got my Ninja blender here. I just rinsed it out. I used to have a Diamond KitchenAid blender, which I was obsessed with, but then I was gifted this last year, and it's changed my life. I know that sounds crazy that a blender changes your life, but it works so well, and it blends up my stuff amazingly and super creamy. So I'm excited to try my hand at hummus, and then we will see how it tastes. All right, into the blender goes the can of garbanzo beans, but I took out the liquid. We're only gonna use half a cup of the juice, I guess, that it comes in, and we're gonna discard the rest. All right, next I'm gonna do half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter of a teaspoon of cumin, quarter of a teaspoon of paprika. I've already put in 3 cloves of garlic and just squeeze those in there. And then next I'm going to add the juice of 1 lemon, which I don't have on hand, but if I use 2 tablespoons of fresh organic pure lemon juice, that will be the same thing. So I'm gonna add that in, and then we're also going to add in 3 tablespoons of tahini, which is kind of like peanut butter is to peanuts. If you haven't used tahini before, this is ground sesame seeds. So this is gonna make it really nice and creamy, and then we're gonna blend it up. All right, now we're going to blend this for at least 2 minutes to get it really creamy. Oh, you guys, this is creamy hummus. Look at that. I made that, and so can you. Super easy. The determining factor will be the taste test. All right, guys, my favorite thing about making homemade hummus and homemade pico de gallo and homemade salad dressing, things like that, is that you know exactly what's in your food. There's no mystery ingredients. It's not full of oils and stuff that's just not good for you. So I've got some of my favorite veggies here. Let me turn the camera around. So I put some of my favorite veggies together for snacking with hummus. I love carrots, I love cucumber, and of course some celery. So let's give this a taste. All right. That was really good. Mmm. Oh, I can taste all the flavors, and it's really good. Oh, this is gonna be great. So you can keep it up to a week in your fridge and enjoy. I hope you guys like this video. As I'm talking with my mouth full. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.